it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm here with the bargain bead box today. This is the October 2018 bargain bead box. You can see it comes in this really pretty teal mailer, so I was excited to see it in my mailbox yesterday. I just want to say real quick, for any of those affected by Hurricane Michael, my heart goes out to you. Here where I live in Central Virginia, we didn't get nearly what people down south had to deal with, but we had so much rain. It was pouring through our upstairs foyer area window. It was crazy. But anyway, back to beads. Let's talk about something happy, and I just want to say my thoughts go out to you guys. Anyway, let's see. So the bargain bead box is only $15.95 a month, and you guys, I do pay for my own subscription. I'm not affiliated with the bargain bead box in any way, so this is just me sharing the contents with you because I know that others enjoy seeing unboxings just like I do. So let's open this together and share in the excitement of what's inside. It's always a great deal, especially since they send it right to my door. It's always exciting. So let's take a look and see what they sent. Alright, so we have our letter, and it says our theme this month is autumn leaves. I already love that. Indian agate shows off all the colors of fall in 2 sizes of round beads, as well as one-of-a-kind hand-cut leaf centerpiece. Lampwork glass, crystal, and specially treated glass gemstone beads round out the color scheme. Also included is a coordinating set of copper finished pewter findings and pendants. That sounds amazing. You guys know I love anything, I've said it before, floral, leaves, anything like that, and I love the fall, so I am so excited to see what's in here. And on the back of that note, we do have a list of what's included, so they do a great job at sharing those items, what specifically we got, which is always helpful, and you can see that there's 16 items in here. So let's see what we have. We have a nice little organza bag that everything's packed in. Alright, let's see. Lots of goodies, beautiful colors. You guys already got a little peek of some of the colors you're going to see. So, as usual, I like to go down the list and go through everything in order so I don't miss anything. So, number 1, it says it is approximately 45 millimeter hand-carved Indian agate leaf pendant. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at this. Hand-carved Indian agate leaf pendant, and it's heavy. Like, not too heavy, you know, to wear, but like heavy as in it's substantial. And look at those colors. Aren't they beautiful? This is stunning to come in a box full of beads and jewelry making items for $15.95 a month. I mean, that's awesome. You can see how it's got the carved detail as I move it around. What a stunning piece. I know I can't just like focus on this forever, but I just want to make sure you get a good look at it because it's so pretty. It's like a work of art. Top drilled. I cannot wait to use this. So gorgeous. Alright, number 2, 10 grams of 15 millimeter leaf drops. So that's these right here, which are gorgeous. Love these. They always coordinate everything so well, especially their findings. So I find that it's very easy to put together finished pieces from their subscription box because it's not so random. Like, especially with the findings, if they're gonna send you copper colored findings, that's pretty much what you get throughout the whole box, which I think is really nice. Aren't those cute? And they're double-sided. Could use them as charms, or you could use them in a strung necklace dangled down, kind of like dagger beads or leaf beads. So pretty. Okay, we're off to a great start. And number 3 is 40 pieces of 4.2 millimeter bumpy spacer beads. That's these. I use so many spacers. Like, I don't even expect to use so many spacers, or they're kind of like not so exciting to buy, so it's great to get them in these subscription boxes. And I use them so much, especially in strung projects, like strung necklaces, because they give everything just that extra detail that makes everything feel much more special and finished. Those are so cute. I haven't had any spacers just like that either, so that's nice. Number 4 is 40 pieces of 8x6 Chinese crystal rondelle beads in matte bronze. Oh, beautiful color. Gorgeous. So Chinese crystal, definitely not a very expensive item, but it's great to have as a filler. It's great for adding pops of color. And this is a really cool finish. It's kind of matte, like it says, matte bronze, so it's not super shiny. Those are cool. I don't have any like that either. Okay, and then number 5 is 3 pieces of 43 by 40 branch pendants. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like, I am always so impressed with this box because for the price, you just can't beat the amount of items that they send. This is 3 pieces, not just one. And I know these items aren't like the most high-end and expensive items, but I think, you know, I have to say this box I recommend especially to newer beaders or people interested in making jewelry because it's a great way to bulk up your stash of everything, not just beads. But when you're not ready to use like the top tier of metalwork or things like that, you can make some beautiful pieces with these items, and the amount that they send is fantastic. So check those out. Aren't they cool? 3 of them, not just one. Such a good value. Okay, so number 6 is 10 pieces of 8mm fancy bead caps or cones. So very cool. We got some bead caps. And look how cute those are. Little floral design, little embellished floral design. Those are super cute. Love those. Okay, and then number 7 is 10 pieces of Chinese crystal 6x4 coin beads in a green jade finish. Oh my goodness. That's a pretty color. I like the accent that would provide with some of the colors here. It's a little bit brighter and would go well with a lot of these greens and coppers. Those are really cute. Really, really cute. Nice shape. All right, and then number 8 is a 50-piece 4mm Chinese crystal round beads in turquoise green. Okay. So that's these. I love my turquoise colors. Those are beautiful. Very cute. Again, just a great way to add pops of color. And they're nice and sparkly too. That's why I'm moving them around so you can see. Okay, number 9. 4 sets of fancy toggle clasps. So that's these. And I've said it before, I love getting toggle clasps because they're so interesting. Look at the design. Look at these. Like, I've never seen these before. Those are so pretty. I love using them on bracelets, particularly because they are so much easier to open and close than, say, a lobster clasp. For me, anyway. I'm a little uncoordinated when it comes to putting my clasps on, but anyway, look at how beautiful those are. Oh, love them. Okay, then we have number 10, which is 20 pieces of 8mm green jade finish glass beads, which are these. So they're a green jade finish, but they're glass. Very pretty. They really captured the color of the green jade. Those, I love that color too. And it goes so well with all these coppers and bronzy colors. So then we're looking for number 11. It's 30 pieces of 6mm orange jade finish glass beads. Oh, cool. So we got 8mm green jade and we got 6mm orange jade beads. Jade finish, rather, not jade, but they're glass. Aren't those beautiful? Makes me want a pumpkin spice latte. You guys, it's really chilly where I am today. It was in the 80s yesterday, and today it's like barely made it to 60 yet. So I know some of you are like, oh, big deal. But for us, it's getting chilly where I live. So I'm excited. I love it. I love the crisp fall air. I'm ready. I'm done with the humidity. I do love summer, but it gets to a point where I've had enough, and my hair has had enough. Okay, so number 12 is what we're looking for next. It's 1 meter of 3x2 millimeter steel jewelry chain and copper finish. Ugh, very nice. You guys know I use a lot of chain, and I've been thinking I am going to need to get more, but it's always nice. Bargain Bead Box comes through pretty much every time on chain, so they always kind of add back to my pile of chain that I have going on. So always appreciated. Love the shape, love the size of this chain. Okay, so then number 13 is 5 pieces of 10 millimeter lampwork glass round beads. Ooh, lampwork beads. I don't recall getting any lampwork beads in here. My past few months subscriptions. Oh my goodness, these are cool. I hope the camera does these justice. They are really sparkly inside. Sometimes, like with lampwork beads, you'll see swirls of different colors or swirls of very sparkly glass. But these are like all one color. They're like a solid color, but then you have these like stripes of sparkle inside. They're absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to use these as well. Those are going to be very, very pretty in a strung necklace, I think, is what I'm going to use those for in particular. And then we're looking for number 14, which is 4 pieces of leaf drops with a rear loop, which are these gorgeous. Oh, 2 of them didn't come out. There we go. Oh, wow. So this is awesome. They're actually like connectors, because you see they have a hole there, they have a hole there, so you could use them to connect chain to a strung necklace like I've shown you guys before, like I love to do. Or you could use them as an embellishment in a bracelet or anything you want. They'd be beautiful with earrings. You can do something dangling off the bottom of these for earrings, and then attach your ear wire up here. I mean, lots of possibilities with something like this, and I love to see what everybody comes up with, because we all come up with different things, and you can be really creative with something like this. Okay, 7.5 inches strand of 8 millimeter Indian agate round beads. So this, you guys, these 2 things are what I'm really excited about in particular in this box, because I love that they send gemstone beads. I mean, what an amazing value. And these are just the icing on the cake. So let's get to number 15. These are our 8 millimeter Indian agate round beads. How gorgeous. How gorgeous. You can see how they picked out so many of the colors for this box to coordinate with the Indian agate, and I'm wondering if that's maybe what they started with. They started with the Indian agate and thought, what are some amazing complementary pieces we can put with this? I don't know, just a thought, but you can see how each of these beads is a little bit different, which is how Indian agate is, but they complement each other so well. And then, if that wasn't enough, number 16 is a 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter Indian agate round beads. Nice long strand, and look at all these beads. Look at all this Indian agate. So beautiful. I mean, everything in here goes so well together with this Indian agate. So you get gemstone beads, you get findings, you get chain, you get lampwork beads. I mean, and not just like one of these, but 3 of these, and a gorgeous carved stone pendant. I mean, I can't say enough. Sometimes people may assume that I get paid to get on here and just say how wonderful everything is, and that's not the case. These are my opinions. I just love sharing the contents of these boxes with you all because I know you get excited about them, and I want to help you guys to be able to see what subscription boxes are right for you. So even though I'm an experienced beader, I would definitely recommend this subscription, although I think it's even better for somebody who's newer to beading because the cost is lower than any of the subscription boxes that I subscribe to, as well as the quantities of items that you receive and how everything coordinates means you don't have to already have a huge stash of things to pull from. You can do a lot with what's here already and then just add some other basic items. So I can't say enough about the Bargain Bead Box subscription. See what's right for you. Even if you just enjoy the unboxing, that's cool too. I can't wait to share with you guys what I've made from these beautiful items. I really am excited about it. And I will be back soon with finished jewelry updates to show you what I've made. And I will be back tomorrow and hopefully the next day with a couple more subscription boxes to share with you all. So I cannot wait. Stay tuned for those. Feel free to leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite item is here, what you'd make with the contents of the box, or anything you'd like, or just stop by to say hi because I love to hear from you all. And in the meantime, happy beading to everybody and stay safe out there, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, visit my Etsy shop, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!